Even today topic is pharmacovigilance system. Pharmacovigilance system consists of a safety database, standard operating produce a network of trained qualified person in different regions working with local regulate in local language and with regional regulatory EMA, FDA or MHRA. Therefore, PV system requires considerable investment which is not always attractive and feasible. Typically, smaller pharmaceutical companies, if you a pharmaceutical company that is marketing a new drug or assessing a new market, how about setting pharmacovigilance system for the EU, US, even global market, how to your ensure that again your pharmacovigilance strength regulation EMA and FDA is the post discuss the function of a pharmacovigilance system. Component are the corresponding regulation and guidelines. EU and US keep in mind that this article describes the minimum requirement of a pharmacovigilance system. Sit what be done minimum do ensure national pharmacovigilance system exit can provide some major assurance security medicine safety. Such system expected graduate finding patient safety when a medication product against marketing authorization approval to safety and efficacy and have typically examined randomized clinical trials containing relative homogeneous patient control clinical setting. The clinical trial stage is circle. It provide evidence-based data related to the safety and efficacy product, but leaves some gap in clinical trials. Have number of patients is limited, so rare ADRs may not be detected. Additional, their duration is limited and that possible of missing ADRs develop after years increase. Finally, usually patient population group children, pregnant, lactating women enrolled in clinical trials. Therefore, post-marketing surveillance of the medicinal product plays its initial role in discovering and understanding effect that might person risk all and allow long-term monitoring. The effect of drug product real-world setting include much more disparate patient group such as age, ethically and genetic background, habit, pregnancy status, multi-drug use and local clinical practice. Therefore, is a possible that adverse event medical product only occur in the real world. We are not seen in clinical trials occurred. So, two detected substantial patient population. A recent example is the occurrence thrombosis and administer certain COVID-19 vaccine, which has been detected. Pharmacovigilance system primarily marketing authorization holder. According to WHO, pharmacovigilance drug safety is science and activity relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention adverse effect or any other possible drug related problem. The main responsibility of pharmacovigilance personnel are to the time and collection, recording, and notification, approval, assessment, and expected at periodic reporting safety data. More specific, pharmacovigilance system collect data and adverse event, other safety related information like off label use, medicational error, overdose, product, etc. Assess this data of causality, seriousness, risks, and risk management optional. And based on the assessment, the product safety profile and the labeling can be updated. The interaction between a drug can be considered safe and unsafe or wrongful prescription medication can be identified, etc. And in more server queues batch or entire product need to the withdrawal from the market. Data about adverse event is typically collected through spontaneous and solicited report from healthcare provider, pharmacist, and patient consumer. Spontaneous report. A spontaneous report is unsolicited communication by a healthcare professional, a consumer, conflict authority, marketing authorization holder, or other organization. Example: regional pharmacovigilance center that describe Once more, suspected adverse reaction is patient in more medical product. Spontaneous report can also be collected through medical and general literature source, social media, and non-interval post-authorization study for which the protocol does not require systematic collection. Thank you.